Hey y'all, it's Mary and I have the March Allure Beauty Box. I love this box, y'all. It has some great items in it. Let's check it out. How the Allure Beauty Box works is it is $25 a month. That includes the shipping. You can buy it for a year and get it at a better rate. I'm not sure if they do 3 months and 6 months, but I don't get anything for it if you sign up under me. They used to say that we would get something, but I never have. And some of you all said you signed up under me, so that's okay. It's okay. Anyway, let's just see what's in here. They guarantee 3 full-size products and 3 deluxe samples. So the box always looks the same. It is taped, and I did cut the tape. And then when you open it up, it's red inside like this. And there's always a brochure, which is nice. I like getting this. This has the items in it and the pricing. And there's this little tiny, it says 0324, which is March 24, VB. So I think that's version B, but last time I had VB and I didn't see any differences with anybody. Sometimes it's a minor difference that you might not even catch. Okay, Camille, why do you think you can get in that box? It's too small for you. Okay, let's see what's in here. I do know a little bit because I see the spoilers or whatever. Now, if you get Allure, then for April, you should have been sent an email asking you to choose a Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. So I went in immediately, got the email, was at lunch, got the email, went in, and they were already sold out, or if you can call it whatever, they were already out of fair. So I got the next one up. So somebody will get that in a giveaway. Camille, may I please get in there, please? Okay, let's see. On the back, a lot of times we have something in here that is sponsored, but this is all about the Ultimate K Beauty Box. So that is a $225 value for $79. So if you are a member of Allure, then you can shop. They have things to buy. And let's see. All right, Camille, let me get in there. This is the big, oh my goodness, Camille. This is very nicely wrapped. This is from the Beauty Bakery, and it is the Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Lighter Palettes. And look how pretty that is, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? Beauty Bakery, I've had some Beauty Bakery. I have a palette or two, eyeshadow palette, and I thought that I've had a blush from them, a blush palette, but not this one, so maybe I'm wrong. Sometimes different companies, have similar looking things. This is very nice. It has a magnet closure, and I just took the screensaver off, so to speak. These are beautiful. Let me show them to you. There's no mirror. Very, very pretty. It says, "Toasting to the Sweet Life," and then there's some French on there. Those are beautiful. They're sparkly, beautiful colors. Very, very pretty. And it says, "Try this palette and you'll get why the formulas inside are called Blush Lighter. The pink and bronzer powders go on like hybrids of blush and highlighter in one easy to blend formula." All right, so that is valued at $38. So this box costs $25. So right there, more than paid for the box. Next, we have the Strip Makeup Whipped Coconut Makeup Remover. All right, so this box was open. I've been getting a lot of balms and things lately here. Let me show that to you, and then I'll read more about it. This is $28. This is full size, the 3.4, yep. And this texture of this Allure Best of Beauty award-winning cleanser is unlike other cleansers. It kind of melts in your palm, so it winds up feeling like freshly whipped cream. It smells so good, like coconut puree, and it's great at removing makeup and even tubing mascara. Okay. Oh, y'all, I don't think you're going to be able to see how cool that is. It's a clear container, and it has a sparkle to it. Oh, it does smell fabulous. Oh, wow. It is creamy, you can see that, but it has a highlight to it. It says it smells wonderful. Whipped Coconut Makeup Remover. Interesting. So that is by Strip Makeup. I don't know that I've heard of that brand before. Skin Barrier Restoring Cleanser, clinically shown to replenish skin, vitamin E, fatty acids, ginseng root, and white tea extract. Interesting. Okay, great. I'm always up for trying something new. Next we have this interesting package. This is by 19/99 is the company. This is a highlight stick in Miele, M-I-E-L-E, that French word there, cream highlight stick. And this is a full size, and it is valued at $25. Let me see. Look at it. It's even like a paper. Well, it's not quite paper. It's sort of, oh, okay. It's sort of like a plasticky. I don't know how to describe it, y'all. So I feel like I'm at the pharmacy or something, and they gave me something. So this is it, $19.99. See, 19/99. So we've seen that before. And there's the color name. And, oh, it's beautiful. Look, it's all pushed up like that already. I don't know if it's, yeah, it's tight like that. That's gorgeous. It's really shiny. It's really beautiful. I have a million highlighters, y'all, so I'm not going to use it. It's beautiful. $34 value. Let me put it back without breaking it, hopefully. Or I hit those kinds of things with the cap, so I'm happy that I didn't do it this time. And then next we have actually 4. We have 4. Those were our 3 full size, and now we have 4 deluxe samples. And this is one of a brand that I really like. I haven't had much from it, but this is Sulwasu, and I have no idea if I'm saying that correct. This is from Japan, and it's First Care Activating Serum 6, VI, so that is 6. Why you'll love it. Sulwasu's original First Care Activating Serum is so popular that one sells every 10 seconds. Now the K-Beauty brand that updated its beloved prep step by adding antioxidant ginseng for a pampering serum that's chock full of hydrating, brightening ingredients. So apply the serum on clean, dry skin morning and or night and layer your usual products on top. I have a little moisturizer from Sulwasu that I recently got. Where did I get it? I can't remember where I got it from, but I'm using a little at that at night also. So this is very nice. Look at how pretty that is. And this is a good size deluxe sample. It is 8 mLs, 0.27 fluid ounces. This is $89 for 2.02 ounces. So it's 10 mLs. Well, oh no, it says 10 mLs is included in this box, but this says 8 mLs. So I'm anxious to try this because I've bought a few things from them, samples, deluxe samples. Oh, it pops up. I thought it was gonna unscrew, but look at that, nice. It's got a pump on it. Very nice. I'll be using that right away. Cool. Okay, and then we have, this is from, I've had this before, Nature Lab Tokyo, or I've had things from Nature Lab Tokyo. This is a clean scalp rinse. So the full size of this would be $19, 6.7 ounces. This is 0.67 fluid ounces. So not the same thing. It says 30 mLs included in the box, and this says 20 mLs on it. So they've got their measurements all wrong. Massage the treatment into your scalp as if you were shampooing, and then rinse and follow with conditioner. So it's a scalp balancing rinse, sake rinse. Part scalp treatment, part shampoo, and completely easy to use. The rice and sake water rinse is a deep clean for your scalp. It helps you wash away product buildup and hydrates while it's at it. Someone needed help with this brochure this month. Well, that's interesting. It's very thin. It's not going to do any damage. I might try that just for buildup kind of stuff. Interesting. That's really cool. All right, now let's see what's next. Next we have, this is, now I do consider masks, sheet masks full size. We're getting one. This may come in a package of more. This says that it's $3.99 for this. And it is Sweet Chef, which we've had before. Sweet Chef Celery Hydration Mask. So this is celery and hyaluronic acid fresh pressed sheet mask. I want to say I've had it before. I know I've had Sweet Chef masks before. I've had a beet mask that I recall. I'm not sure about celery, but it looks very familiar, like I've had it before. And here's Camille. All right, Camille. She's really not behaving tonight. I'm filming this at night. So that is in there. I'm excited to use that. It says, why the sheet mask locks in moisture. Why, you'll love it. I'm messing up. It is the brochure, but I'm messing up too. This sheet mask locks in moisture and ingredients like hydrating hyaluronic acid to make you look as dewy as if you'd just gotten a facial. Cool. All right. And then our last item, which is like a little bonus item, I think, because there's 7 things in here instead of 6. This is Yves Saint Laurent. This is Libre Eau de Parfum. It says bonus on it. It does. So 3 ounces, full size, is $155. This says it's 5 ml is included. You know, I didn't even spray it and I can smell it. This floral perfume isn't exactly a quaint walk through the roses. It's warm musk and vanilla notes make the star flower lavender all the more sultry. It's a sexy take on floral fragrance that's perfect for day or night. And this is interesting because I've had a package like this before. There's no way to open it. You have to tear it open. So I'm going to tear it open. See, it's like serrated there. And there it is, and it smells really good. I'm not a big floral person. I like flowers. I love flowers, but I'm not a big florally person. And this doesn't smell that way. I'm gonna see. I'll spray in line. Oh, it's nice. There is some floral, but I see what they mean about it. It has some musky stuff going on. I like it. I like it for spring. It's a nice spring scent. It's getting better as it's staying on my arms. Okay, so on my arm. All right, we have Libre, Yves Saint Laurent. Thank you, Yves Saint Laurent. Special treat. We have the Sweet Chef mask. We have this interesting Perfect Clean Scalp Balancing Scrub. Rinse, not scrub, rinse. I'm interested to try that. We have the wonderful Suwasu. This is the serum. And this beautiful $19.99 highlighter. It's hard to open, y'all. I'm going to leave it not open. I'm going to leave it closed because I don't want to mess with it. And I'm going to put it back in this in a minute. Beautiful. I'll take pictures and put them on Instagram. And this is the cool. I would just wish you could see that glow. It has a glow to it. Cleanser, this strip makeup cleanser, and the palette, the cotton candy palette. This is beautiful. Did I show you everything? Beautiful. Beautiful. So 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 5, 6, 7. And there's the little brochure. And what I'm wearing on my face is I am wearing the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions. I don't get a lot of chances to wear this because red is not my thing, but I did use some of the red. I mostly use the shimmers, and that's what I have on. And on my lips, I love this lipstick. It might be a little dark for me, but I like it anyway. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills. Gorgeous, gorgeous component. This is the lychee. I love it. It feels really good on my lips, lychee. So there it is. Beautiful, beautiful. And that is what I have for you today. So y'all have a wonderful day, weekend. It's Saturday. I'm filming this on Friday night. Y'all take care. Count your blessings. And good to see you. Bye-bye, y'all.